Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Shambhu Prasad Jaka Beta Malaysia. Hope you have watched the Azure series as well as this series part of AI series, that is part 1 of Microsoft AI services. I'm going to continue the part 2, that is unlocking AI with Microsoft Cognate service. I am Shambhu Prasad Jaka, a Beta Malaysia, who is enthusiastic and most prominent to serve the Microsoft MLSA Microsoft Learn student community with his presentations and help share this technology uh, and is the knowledge with all the students. So welcome to the second part of our exploration into the Microsoft AI ecosystem, where we will focus on Microsoft Cognitive Service. These services offer pre-built AI models that are designed to accelerate development processes and simplify the integration of AI into application. Cognitive services remove remove the complexity of building AI. So before moving on, just here are the table contents that we are going to discuss in the upcoming Q&A. Introduction to cognitive services, exploring vision services, harnessing speech services, understanding language services, implementing decision services, leveraging search services, integrating cognitive services, real world applications, embracing the future. And the thank you. So along with the Q&A session. Introduction to cognitive services, AI powered solutions. Cognitive services offer pre-built AI models that accelerate your development processes. Integrating these services into apps and tools is less with ABS, requiring no deep AI expertise. Categories include vision, speech, language, decision, and search, each catering to various needs. These services empower developers across industries to create smarter applications efficiently. Cognitive services remove the complexity of building AI models from scratch by providing easy to use APIs that developers can integrate directly into their apps. This empowers organizations to leverage AI technology without needing deep expertise in machine learning or AI development. These services are categorized into five main areas: vision, speech, language, decision, and search. Each category provides specialized functionality that addresses different business needs, from analyzing images to real-time language translation. Microsoft's goal with cognitive services is to democratize AI. By providing these pre-trained models, Microsoft enables organizations to quickly implement AI-powered solutions that enhance efficiency, innovation, and decision making. For example, the vision services allow applications to see by analyzing images and videos, while speech services enable voice recognition and interaction. Language services help with understanding and generating human language, and decision services offer advanced tools for making informed choices. These tools are used across industries like healthcare, finance, retail, and more, making AI accessible to organizations of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. Everyone can benefit from Microsoft Cognitive Services. One of the key benefits of cognitive services is that they are platform agnostic. Whether you're working with Azure, on-premise services, or third-party platforms. These APIs integrate seamlessly into your existing infrastructure. Imagine a scenario where you are developing an app that needs to analyze customer feedback. Using cognitive services, you can deploy sentiment analysis tools to automatically understand customer emotions and improve your product accordingly. These services are not only designed for ease of use but also for scalability. As your user base grows, cognitive services scale with you, ensuring that you can handle larger workloads without compromising performance. In this section, we will explore each of the main categories of Microsoft Cognitive Services, examining how they work and the practical benefits they bring to your applications and business processes. Moving on to our next slide, exploring vision services. Visual intelligence. Azure Cognitive Vision Service analyze images and videos to extract meaningful insights. The Computer Vision API enables object detection and image classification effortlessly. Face API offers advanced facial recognition and verification capabilities for secure applications. Form Recognizer extracts text and key value pairs from documents for streamlined processing. Let's begin with vision mirrors, which are designed to bring visual intelligence into our applications. The most well-known service in this category is Azure Computer Vision, a tool that can analyze images and videos to extract valuable insights. Computer vision enables you to recognize objects, identify faces, and even read handwritten text in images. This can be used in industries like security, retail, and healthcare, where understanding visual information is crucial. One powerful feature of computer vision is object detection. It can identify and label objects in images, which is useful for tasks like product identification in a retail environment or detecting anomalies in surveillance footage. Another component of vision services is the Face API, which offers advanced facial recognition capabilities. This technology can detect and verify faces, making it a popular choice for secure authentication systems and personalized customer experiences. The Form Recognizer tool is designed to extract text and key value pairs from structured documents like invoices, receipts, and forms. This helps automate document processing tasks, improving accuracy and reducing manual labor. Imagine a healthcare organization needing to process thousands of patient forms. By implementing Form Recognizer, they can automate the extraction of key details like patient names and diagnosis information, significantly speeding up administrative processes. Imagine a healthcare organization needing to process thousand of patient forms. By implementing Form Recognize, they can automate the extraction of key details like patient names and diagnosis information, significantly speeding up administrative processes. Vision services can also be used for image classification, identifying and categorizing images based on their content. This is particularly useful in applications like content moderation, where inappropriate or sensitive images can be automatically flagged. What makes vision services particularly appealing is their versatility. Whether you're building a mobile app, a web platform, or even a desktop application. These APIs can be easily integrated to enhance the user experience with visual intelligence. For developers, the ability to incorporate pre-built vision models without having to train their own deep learning systems is a game changer. You don't need to be an AI expert to leverage the power of image and video analysis. In short, vision services bring a wide range of AI powered visual capabilities to your applications, allowing you to create more intelligent, responsive, and innovation solutions. So this is about exploring vision services. So moving on to the next slide, that is harnessing speech services. Azure Speech Services convert spoken language into text, enabling transcription capabilities. Text to speech technology generates natural sounding speech for applications like voice assistants. Real time speech translation bridges communication gaps, enhancing user interaction. These services cater to various industries, improving accessibility and user engagement. The category brings the power of voice to your applications. These services enable apps to interact with users through voice recognition, text to speech, and even real time language translation. One of the core offerings here is speech to text. This service converts spoken language into text, which can be used in a variety of applications, from transcription services to voice activated assistants. In industries like legal or healthcare, where documentation is essential, speech to text can automate the transcription of conversations, meetings, or patient consultations, reducing the need for manual data entry. The text to speech service allows your application to generate natural sounding speech from written text. This is especially useful in accessibility applications, virtual assistants, and interactive voice response systems. Speech translation offers real time translation of spoken language into another language, making it possible for people who speak different languages to communicate effortlessly. This is valuable for global businesses that need to support multilingual users. Imagine you are developing a global e-commerce platform where users speak different languages. With speech translation, your app can instantly translate customer inquiries and responses, creating a seamless communication experience. These services also have applications in enhancing accessibility for users with disabilities. For example, speech to text can generate captions for videos, making content more accessible for the hearing impaired. Another key feature is the ability to integrate voice commands into applications. This allows users to interact with your app hands-free, which is increasingly important in smart home services, devices, automotive interfaces, and mobile apps. Speech services are designed to work in a variety of environments, whether it's a noisy office, or a quiet home. The underlying technology is robust enough to handle background noise and different accents, ensuring high accuracy. Overall, speech services enable you to create voice enabled applications that improve user engagement, accessibility, and communication, opening up new possibilities for innovation in a range of industries. So, moving on to our next slide, that is understanding language services, natural language processing. Azure Cognitive Language Services enable developers to build custom natural language processing models easily. Text analytics provides sentiment analysis and key phrase extraction to gauge user feedback. The translator service facilitates real-time translation, supporting multilingual applications. These tools are perfect for developing chatbots and enhancing customer experience. Language services focus on natural language processing, a field of AI that allows machines to understand and generate human language. These services enable developers to build smarter applications that can interact with users in more meaningful ways. One of the key offerings in this category is language understanding. LUIS enables you to build custom NLP models that can interpret the intent behind a user's words. This is particularly useful for chatbots, virtual assistants, and customer service applications. Text analytics is another service that helps you analyze text for sentiment, key phrases, and language detection. This is useful for monitoring customer feedback, understanding market trends, and even detecting frauds in text data. With text analytics, businesses can automatically analyze user reviews and social media mentions to gauge sentiment and improve products or services based on real time feedback. With text analytics, business can automatically analyze user reviews and social media mentions to gauge sentiment and improve products or services based on real-time feedback. The translator service allows for real-time translation of text between languages. This is crucial for business operating in multiple countries as it ensures that users can interact with your app in their preferred language. Imagine you're developing a customer service chatbot that needs to support users across multiple regions. With LUIS and Translator, the bot can understand user queries in different languages and respond appropriately, enhancing user satisfaction. These services also offer the ability to detect language and written text, which is useful when handling multilingual content or providing language specific support in customer service. For industries like finance or legal, text analytics can automatically detect and extract key information from large volumes of unstructured text, saving time and reducing errors. The beauty of language services lie in their ability to turn raw text data into actionable insights. Whether it's understanding customer needs, improving communication, or streamlining workflows, these services enhance how businesses interact with language. Overall, language services provide powerful tools to develop applications that understand and interact with human language, transforming the way businesses and users communicate. Let's move on to our next slide, that is implementing decision services. Smart decision making. Azure decision services like personalizer tailor user experiences in real time based on behavior. Anomaly detector identifies unusual patterns in data essential for proactive measures in various domains. Content moderator helps in monitoring and filtering inappropriate content in applications. This service enhances personalized recommendations and fraud detection capabilities. Now let's talk about decision services, which are designed to enhance the decision making capabilities of your applications. These services include personalizer, anomaly detector, and content moderator, each serving a unique purpose. Personalizer uses reinforcement learning to provide personalized experiences for users. It learns from user behavior and optimizes decisions in real time, making it ideal for recommendation engines and content delivery system. For example, if you are building a video streaming service, Personalizer can recommend shows or movies based on users' viewing history, creating a tailored experience that increases user engagement. The anomaly detector service helps you identify unusual patterns in data, which is particularly useful for tasks like fraud detection, predictive maintenance, and monitoring business KPIs. Imagine you're managing a financial platform where detecting fraudulent transactions is critical. Anonymity detector can automatically flag any transactions that deviate from normal patterns, helping you prevent fraud before it escalates. Moderator is another important service that helps monitor and filter inappropriate, inappropriate content across platforms. Whether it's a social media platform or a content sharing app, Content Moderator ensures that users are protected from harmful material. In industries like retail or entertainment, Personalizer can enhance the customer experience by recommending products, promotions, or content that are relevant to individual users based on their preferences and interactions. What sets decision services apart is their ability to automate complex decision making processes. They allow businesses to react in real time, improving operational efficiency and user satisfaction. Whether it's detecting anonymous, moderating content, or personalizing user experiences, decision services give you the tools to make smarter data. Smarter data driven decisions across your applications. So moving on to our next slide, that is leveraging search services. Enhanced discoverability. Azure Cognitive Search Services provide access to relevant web search results via Bing Web Search API. Custom searches through Bing Custom Search enhance user experience tailored to needs. Bing Image and Video Search enables search of media content efficiently, improving data discovery. These tools strengthen the foundation for building robust search engines. Now let's dive into search services which enhance the discoverability of content in your applications. These services are provided by Bing Search APIs and provide access to relevant web results, media content, and more, enabling a powerful search experience. One of the core features in this category is the Bing Web Search API. It allows developers to integrate the power of Bing's web search engine into their applications, providing users with relevant high quality search results. Another key service is Bing Custom Search, which enables you to create tailored search engines for your application. This allows you to refine and personalize search results based on your specific business needs, ensuring that users find what they are looking for faster. Imagine you're building an e-commerce platform where customers search for products. With Bing Custom Search, you can provide search results that are optimized for your inventory, customer preferences, or location, enhancing the shopping experience. Bing Image Search and Bing Video Search are also part of the search services. These APIs allow you to search for and display relevant media content in your application, which is particularly useful for content heavy platforms. For example, in a media or entertainment app, Bing Image Search can pull relevant image or thumbnails based on the user's search query, enhancing the user experience with visually appealing content. Another powerful tool in this category is Bing Entity Search, which enables applications to retrieve information about real world entities like people, place, or things. This is useful for applications that rely on up to date factual data, such as news or educational platform. With search services, you can also implement safe search filters to ensure that inappropriate content excluded from search results, improving the safety and trustworthiness of your platform. These services are scalable and can handle a large volume of search queries, making them ideal for any size of application, from small scale websites to large enterprise platforms. In summary, such services empower developers to create rich search experiences that enhance the discoverability of content, improve user satisfaction, and streamline navigation within application. Moving on to our next slide, that is integrating cognitive services, seamless implementation. Now that we have covered the various cognitive levels, let's discuss how to integrate these services into your application. Microsoft has designed these APIs to be simple and flexible, making integration seamless across platforms. Whether you're developing on Azure, another cloud platform, or even on premises systems, cognitive service APIs are easy to integrate using familiar programming languages and frameworks like Python, .NET, Java, and JavaScript. One of the key benefits of using cognitive services is that they are cloud native. This means you don't have to worry about infrastructure management or scaling. The services automatically scale to meet your needs as your application grows. By integrating cognitive services, you can leverage powerful AI capabilities like vision, speech, language, decision making, and search without building complex AI models from scratch. This saves both time and resources in the development process. Let's take an example. Suppose you're developing a customer service chatbot. By integrating LUIS, language understanding, and speech to text APIs, you can create a voice enabled chatbot that enable understand user queries and response in real time, improving user engagement. These services are also highly modular. You can choose to integrate only the specific services you need, whether it's image recognition from vision services, speech translation from speech services, or anomaly detection from decision services. One great advantage of cognitive services is the API management portal on Azure, where you can easily manage your API keys, monitor performance, and analyze users metrics, ensuring your integration is running smoothly and efficiently. For businesses operating in multiple regions, cognitive services are available across multiple data centers worldwide, ensuring compliance with data privacy regulations and reducing latency for global users. Microsoft also offers developer documentations, SDKs, and sample code to help you quickly get started with integration. This accelerates the development lifecycle and enables you to focus on building features that matter most to your users. In conclusion, integrating cognitive services into your applications enables you to bring powerful AI features to your users quickly and efficiently, with the flexibility scale as your needs evolve. Moving on to next slide, that is real world applications. Let's explore some real world applications of cognitive services where AI is driving significant value across different industries. These examples demonstrate how businesses are transforming their operations using Microsoft AI powered tools. In the healthcare industry, cognitive services are being used to analyze medical images and patient data to provide faster and more accurate diagnosis. For example, computer vision can identify signs of diseases in medical scans, while text analytics can extract critical insights from patient records. In retail, companies are leveraging personalizer and search services to provide personalized shopping experience. By analyzing customer behavior and search queries, retailers can recommend products tailored to individual preferences, leading to increased sales and customer satisfaction. The finance industry uses anomaly detector to identify suspicious transactions and potential fraud. By analyzing patterns in financial data, customers, ensuring a safer and more secure environment. In the education sector, cognitive services like translator and speech to text are helping break down language barriers, enabling students from different linguistic backgrounds to access learning materials in their native language. Language services are also used to power chatbots in customer service applications, helping business handle large volume of customer queries without requiring human intervention. These AI-driven bots understand and respond to customer inquiries, improving response times and overall service. In the public sector, cognitive services tools built with text analytics can analyze real-time data to detect potential threats or emergencies, helping authorities respond more quickly. Speech services are also being used in accessibility applications to enable people with disabilities to interact with technology through voice commands. These solutions ensure that digital platforms are inclusive and accessible to all users. Content moderation services are critical in industries like social media and entertainment, where user generated content needs to be monitored for appropriateness. With content moderator, business can automatically flag or remove harmful content, creating a safe online environment. This real world application show the versatility and impact of cognitive services across industries, from improving customer experiences to increasing operational efficiency and enhancing safety. The possibilities are truly endless. Moving on to next slide, that is embracing the future. As we move towards an increasingly digital world, AI will continue to be a driving force in innovation and transformation. With Microsoft Cognitive Services, organizations are well positioned to embrace for the future of AI. Cognitive services allow businesses to leverage AI capabilities that were once solely accessible to tech giants. Now, even small businesses can integrate cutting edge AI tools into their applications, driving innovation and staying competitive in a rapidly changing market. Microsoft is continually expanding its cognitive services, adding new features and improving existing ones to ensure that organizations can solve complex problems and innovate faster than ever before. One of the most exciting aspects of AI is its ability to augment human intelligence. Instead of replacing jobs, AI helps automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on creative, strategic, and high value activities. In fields like healthcare, AI is not just a tool for diagnostics but a way to enable better patient care. In retail, AI is not just about personalized recommendations, it's about understanding customers better and building stronger relationships with them. As we embrace the future, it's important to keep in mind the need for ethical AI. Microsoft is committed to building AI systems that are fair, transparent, and free from bias, ensuring that AI benefits everyone and does not reinforce inequality. The scalability of cognitive services means that business can start small and grow their AI capabilities as needed. Whether you are developing a simple chatbot or a complex image analysis system, these services can adapt to your needs. With advancements in AI, we are on the cusp of unlocking new possibilities from autonomous systems that can learn and adapt in real time to AI driven innovation in fields like sustainability, climate change, and global health. The future of AI is bright, and by adopting Microsoft Cognitive Service, organizations can lead the charge, harnessing AI to transform the earth industries and create value for their customers. Now is the time to embrace AI and unlock the power of intelligent solution. Microsoft Cognitive Services provide the tools you need to succeed in this existing AI driven future. That concludes our presentation on Microsoft Cognitive Services. I want to take a moment to thank you all for your time and engagement throughout this session. We have covered a wide range of topics from vision services and speech service to language decision and search services. Each of these tools brings powerful AI capabilities to your applications and open up a world of possibilities. As we have seen, cognitive services are designed to simplify AI integration, making it accessible to all developers and business regardless of their size of industry. Whether you're in healthcare, finance, retail, or any other sector, cognitive services can help you create smart applications. You can ask any question regardless of the session, so that I am open. If you hesitate to ask this, it doesn't matter. You can still reach out my social media account and post your queries to me personally so I can clarify your doubt. uh, Hope you are eager to learn more and more on this AI softwares. So until I come with a part 3 of the Microsoft AI, just keep waiting, and until then keep learning AI of Microsoft and keep exploring the services, and also share the knowledge with the three people and ask them to share with the other three people, which increases the possibility of increasing the knowledge of Microsoft. Until then, I will come back with again an enthusiastic session of part 3 Microsoft AI. Until then, bye bye, goodbye.